doubly linked list to array, you are given the head of a doubly linked list which contains nodes that have a next pointer and a previous pointer. Return an integer array which contains the elements of the linked list in order. So we have example one here. Our head in this order, and output. So we can see that the order is like exactly the same, but in this case, the output without the linked list. That's what we're going to do. Output. So the order is exactly the same. So the head node in the array, integer array, head node and integer array. Here the head node is called the root. So let's make our result. Um, Result equals to a list. This will be our integer array. So let's make current to point at root, current pointer to point at root. So while current is not none, let's go ahead and make an add hold on, result append current dot val, and then let's go ahead and make current to point at the next value. Current dot next point, next node. Return result, and let's run it. And it's been accepted. It's a simple problem. So the time complexity in this case will be time complexity is O of n space complexity. We're going through each one, and space complexity is of n also. And that's basically it. Let's submit to see if it's going to pass all cases, and it's been able to pass all cases. And we can see it's of n, time complexity, and space complexity is also of n. And that's it for this problem. It's a simple problem using linked list to array.